Students, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you have read this chapter because I have started the revision of this chapter. In the sequence of the revision of the chapter, Creating Tables in Word 2013. Today, the next topic I am going to revise, and I hope you will listen it very carefully and you will follow it. And if you will follow the steps which I have described to you all, so in this way you can perform each and every work which are related to this chapter at your home. If you have system, you will try your best to perform it. Otherwise, if you will face any problem, then whenever you will come in college, in lab, I will describe again how you can perform this type of work, because this chapter is completely based on the practical. Practical means, in this one, many times I have told you that is the graphical user interface, and according to our need, the icons are displaying on the screen, and with the help of the icons, the steps which you have to take, next step you have to take, you can take it. And whenever you will start to take one by one step, each and every work related to that chapter, you will complete. Okay students, now today the next topic I am going to revise it, that is moving and resizing a table. Moving and resizing. Moving and resizing a table. This is the next topic. The topic we are finding moving and resizing. It means the table which you have created, and if you want to move the table, you can move, and if you want to resize the table, you can resize it. Okay. So first of all, I will start to move the table. To move the table. How we can move a table in the chapter Creating Tables in Word 2030. So, whenever we are finding this type of task, you are finding that each and every task we are using the steps. Again, I am writing the steps here, and whenever you will follow it, you can perform. See here, the step 1. Step 1. First of all, click in a cell. Click in a cell. Okay. A plus sign. A plus sign. Like a plus sign appears at the top, left corner. Left corner. So the next line you are finding here, the definition you can find. The plus sign. So there is a special name of this sign. So this sign is known as move handle. This sign is known as move handle. So here we are finding the definition of the plus sign. Move handle. Whenever you are finding a sign is displaying on the screen with the plus sign with arrow, you can say this sign is known as move handle. The step 2. What the step you will take for the next step? You place the mouse pointer place the place the mouse pointer on the table, move handle on the table, move handle, move handle. This is the second step. Now third step. Step 3. Drag the table to where we want. Drag the table. See the lines. Drag the table to where we want by pressing the left mouse button. By pressing the left mouse button. This is the step number 3. And one more step you will take. Step 4. Release the mouse button. Release the mouse button. Release the mouse button. Table is placed at the place. Table is placed at that place, you can see. So students, these are the steps to move the table from one place to another place. First, see the all steps, 4 steps I have written clearly, and with the help of the step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4, we can move the table on the desired place where we want to place it. This is the way. Come on, step 1. First of all, click in a cell. Click in a cell. I hope everybody is knowing what is cell. When vertical and horizontal line crossing to each other, they are forming a box, and this box is known as cell. So click in a cell. First click on the cell. So whenever you will click on the cell, a plus sign, this side, a plus sign appears at the top left corner, and the left hand side, left corner of the screen you will find a plus sign will display on the screen, and this plus sign is known as move handle. Is it clear now? Move handle. After that you will take the step 2. Place the mouse pointer on the table, move handle. With the help of the mouse pointer, you will keep on the table with the help of the mouse pointer on the table, move handle. It means whenever you will start to move the mouse, the move handle will start to move, and on the table you will keep it. Which table we want to place from one place to another place. So this is the second. With the help of the move handle, you can move it. Step 3. See here, the step 3, the important point is there. Drag the table. The word we are finding, drag the table. It means we can move the mouse from upward direction to downward direction. Anywhere we can move. So this is the dragging of mouse pointer. So drag the table to where we want by pressing the left mouse button. So by left pressing key of the mouse, we will start to drag the mouse and drag the table. You will see the complete table will start to move, and where you want to keep it, so pressing the left mouse button, you will go there with the help of the mouse pointer. So this is the third step. After the third step, what you will do? Step 4, release the mouse button. It means we have started to drag the table. So where we want to, just imagine that from this place to this place. So when the move handle you have selected, with the move handle you will start to drag it this place, or at the bottom you can drag it. And wherever the desired place you have got, on that place you will release the mouse. We will release the mouse button. So you will find the table is placed at that place where we want to place the particular table. So student, this is the way how we can move the table from one place to another place. See here now. I hope it is clear. See the next topic now. The next topic, resize. Next topic is resize. To resize a table. To resize a table. First you have read to move a table. Now we can resize the table. Step 1. A step which you have to take, click in a cell. Click in a cell. A small square. A small square like this, like a square symbol. A small X square appears at the bottom right corner. Appears at the bottom right corner at the bottom right corner of the table. This is the first step. Now you will take the step 2. Step 2. Place the mouse pointer on the table, move handle. Place the mouse pointer Place the mouse pointer on the table. Place the mouse pointer on the table. Move handle. Move handle. Step 3. Step 3. We will see a double-headed arrow. We will see a double-headed arrow like this one. Double-headed arrow on it. Drag the table to the desired size. Drag the table to the desired size. By pressing the left mouse button. By pressing the left mouse button. So here the step 3 is completed. Now one more step you have to take. Step 4. Release the mouse button. Release the mouse button. Release the mouse button. Then we get the desired size. Then we get the desired size. So student, these are the steps how we can resize a table. When you will read all the steps, you will find just like all the steps has taken, just like the move a table. Only a little difference is there. In that one, a move handle is appear. Here that is the square box is appear, and double-headed arrow will appear here, like this. See the first step. Click in a cell. The first step is the previous, just like the previous. Click in a cell. A small square appears at the bottom right corner of the table. So the table which you have created, at the bottom you will find the right corner, a small box will be there. Place the mouse pointer on the table move handle. So now we have to move the handle. With the help of the move handle, we will place the mouse pointer on the table move handle option. Then you will come in the step 3. We will see a double-headed arrow. Yeah, this is the double-headed arrow. Now the double-headed arrow on it, you can see there the double-headed arrow on it. Drag the table to the desired size. Now you will start to drag. So according to the size of the table, if you want to make in the large size, you can. If you want to make in small size, you can. So with the help of the double-headed arrow, you will start to drag the table to the desired size. When we are getting the desired size by pressing the left mouse button, click the left mouse button. It means we have selected the resizing of the table. This is the way. And the last point, release the mouse button. See here in the previous, to move the handle, same step you are finding. So there is a very little difference between these two. So release the mouse button. On that place you will release the mouse button. Then we get the desired size. So whenever you will release the mouse button, you will find according to the need, the size which you have created, the table will be displayed on the screen according to your size. So here the moving of the sizing of the table, moving and the sizing of the table is completed. Now come on here. A fun activity is also given in your book. Only I am explaining here, and you can easily find out whenever you will complete the chapter. You will try to find out the words which were given in this table. Okay. Now see the page number 41. In this one, you are finding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5 rows are there. So in this one, we will find the different types of the components of a table is given. Separately they are given, and you have to find out what are the components, because you have read the chapter. So easily we can find 1 or 2 example I am telling, and after then you will start to find out. See here first. First see here from this one. B-O-R-D-E-R. So we are getting here the first word, that is border. Clear? Border. So like this one you will start to find. The first I show here, B-O-R-D-E-R. The first word we have find border. Clear? Now see here the second. See here now. S-H-A-D-I-N-G, shading. Many times I have repeated in this chapter. So the 2 words I have given. The first word we have find, that is the border. Second word, that is the shading. So So the two words I have told you, at rest 3, you will start to find out. So student, now this chapter is finished and I hope you will read it very carefully and revise the chapter line by line. Okay students, thank you.